video. It's the good old sit down makeup tutorial. I was really missing it, and I thought let me just get back to it. And also I wanted to actually just feel a little upbeat, and I really thought that just putting on a little bit of makeup and just getting back into the old routine would make me feel a little more upbeat. So I thought let me just sit down and get started. So today's makeup look is going to be a very simple and basic makeup look. मैंने बहुत ही कम products लिए हैं, and I'm mostly going to try and use a face palette to do the eyes. So it's going to be really basic and simple, nothing complicated. Starting with the bare face, I have cleansed my face thoroughly and I used this cream. It is the Himalayan Nourishing Skin Cream. I think I showed this in my some monthly favorites, जहाँ पे मैं ये क्रीम अपने hands and legs पे use करती थी. Pretty thick, so if your skin is very dry or not feeling moisturized enough, you can go ahead and use that. मैंने वही क्रीम अपने पूरे face पे लगा ली है. Lip balm मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है, but we are going to still roll with it. Next up is going to be priming the face. I'm going to use the good old Nykaa primer. Oh god, I really missed doing this. I really miss sitting and doing makeup. So I'm just pulling the primer in an upward direction and just pressing it into my skin, especially on the areas where I have open pores, which is mainly my cheeks. So I'll give some time for that primer to nicely settle in. In the meanwhile, I'll just go ahead and just fill in my brows. This is the brow pomade from L'Oreal. You can use any of your favorite brow products. I'm using an angle tip brush and a spoolie. So the first thing, I'm just going to comb out the brow hair and start filling in all the bald spots. Nothing fancy, just the usual. Now that the eyebrows are done and I'm feeling good about it, I'm going to move ahead with the foundation. It's from the Wet n Wild. It is their Photo Focus foundation. I'm going to give it a good shake and dot it all over my face. Make sure that your skin is very nicely prepped up before you go ahead with any kind of foundation, because जितना अच्छा आपने skin prep किया होगा उतना ही flawless आपका foundation दिखेगा. Then using this damn beauty blender, I will just go ahead and buffing this foundation into my skin. Make sure that you cover your ears and also your neck, so that the ears and the neck also look like the same color of your face. ये फाउंडेशन बफ करते वक्त मुझे महसूस हो रहा है कि बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ कि मैंने ये थिक हिमालया नरिशिंग क्रीम यूज़ करी है, because I have not been doing any kind of skin care. My skin is so dry. अगर मैंने ये थिक मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम से अपनी स्किन प्रेप नहीं करी होती, मेरा फाउंडेशन जो है वो एकदम केकी लगता. सो स्किन प्रेप इज की. आई थिंक कि आपका एकदम बेसिक और मिनिमल मेकअप भी बहुत फैंटास्टिक लगेगा अगर आपकी स्किन प्रेप एकदम फैंटास्टिक हो. आपका फाउंडेशन उतना ही बेटर आपकी स्किन पे सिट होगा एंड इट विल लुक ऑलमोस्ट स्किन लाइक. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू कंसील द अंडर आई एरिया. सो आई विल गो ahead and use my favorite concealer, which is from Maybelline, and I think this is the only concealer that I have. So I'm just using my lids, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, around my lips, and anywhere where I need to do some kind of spot concealing. Then taking the same damn beauty blender, I will go ahead and start puffing this concealer. Make sure that you take time at this step, because this step is key. So once the concealer is nicely buffed into the skin, it is time to set it with the loose powder. I'm going to use my Fit Me loose powder. This is from Maybelline. Take a brush and just bake my under eye area. Just going to dust it off. Don't judge. मेरे brush का पीछे का जो डंडा है, it's broken off और बाकी के brushes clean नहीं है. So I'm just going to go ahead with this. Using this loose powder at the places where I've used the concealer, and then just lightly dusting this powder all over my face as well. Now we will leave the face at that and we'll move towards the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and use this face palette from Sugar. So this is what it looks like. It has a blush, it has a highlighter, it has a contour shade. तो आज मैं सोच रही हूँ, instead of reaching out for a separate eyeshadow palette, why don't I just use this face palette for my eyes also? Just taking a blending brush and then using this contour shade, I'm going to run it on my crease area to create some kind of a depth. Nothing too harsh, really very gentle. This contour shade is pretty pigmented and you can, you know, work your way with it. इसकी intensity भी आप बढ़ा सकते हो, but use little by little. आप ज़्यादा सारा प्रोडक्ट ब्रश पे ना ले, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ले, so you know you get an idea. So as you can see, I have just created a depth. Now I'm taking another brush. This is like a flat fluffy brush. It is from the Wet n Wild. Going ahead with this blusher, just going to run it on top of my eyelids. This is a very subtle pink. It's like a dusty pink. तो बहुत ही subtle है. आपके पास अगर ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश हो, राउंड ब्रश हो, यू कैन यूज दैट. मुझे मेरा राउंड ब्रश इस वक्त नहीं मिल रहा है, सो दैट इज द रीजन आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्रश. Also running it a little bit on my lower lash line. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to sweep it into a left and right motion so that this pink color and the contour shade जो हमने यूज किया है blend हो जाए और दो separate अलग colors ना दिखे. Now that I'm happy with the way the eyelids are looking, I'm going to go ahead with the eyeliner. This is the liquid eyeliner from Lakme, and just draw a really simple wing eyeliner. If you are comfortable with a pencil liner, go ahead and use that. Felt tip liner, जो भी हो. I'm just going ahead and drawing a basic simple wing. Then using my favorite mascara at the moment, I will go ahead and generously coat my top and bottom lashes both. Go ahead and use a kajal. This one is from K Beauty and the shade is Spade. So I'll just run it on my lower lash line. You can also use a Q-tip, a earbud, and you can just smudge it. इससे भी काफ़ी अच्छे से काजल स्मज हो जाता है. अब मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चीट करूँगी. आई विल गो अहेड एंड यूज दिस आई शेडो पैलेट. इसमें एक पिंकी पर्पल शेड है. आई वांट टू यूज लिटिल बिट ऑफ दैट ऑन माई लोअर लैश लाइन. सो दिस इज द कलर आई एम प्लानिंग टू यूज जस्ट टू गिव इट अ नाइस पॉप ऑफ कलर. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस पेंसिल ब्रश and run it on my lower lash line. Jump back into this face palette. I'm going to use this highlighter shade and I'm just going to use a little bit under my brow bone. You can use a brush or your fingers. मुझे मेरा ब्रश इस वक्त मिल नहीं रहा है, so I'm just using my fingers and just highlighting my brow bone area. Then going ahead and using the same highlighter to do the inner corner highlight. Lightly highlight the bridge of my nose, a little bit on the cupid's bow. The highest points of my cheeks. A little bit on my forehead. And because I'm wearing an off-shoulder top today, I will just go ahead and highlight my collarbone also. I'm going to be skipping contouring and bronzing, and I'm just going to move ahead towards the blush. I use this blusher and I'm going to generously apply it on the apples of my cheeks. A little bit on my nose, forehead. Now it is time to set all of that in place. So I'm going to go ahead and use this makeup fixer from NYX. Give it a good shake and that's it all over my face. I'm going to use the same damp beauty blender and I'm going to dab it all over my face so that जो भी excess है सब इस blender में आ जाएगा, and all the powders and creams will just merge in together and everything will look so put together. Today I'm going to use a glossy lipstick. This one is from Bobbi Brown. It's not my regular favorite pink. It's more on the brown side, but it's nice. Because my lips are feeling so dehydrated, this was a very good option. There, we are done. Now I have to only check if I've got any lipstick on my teeth. No lipstick on my teeth. I am good to go. So this is it for the makeup look today. I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys try and recreate it. And if you do recreate it, please don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your recreations. Also, it feels super great to be back sitting down in front of the camera and just doing the makeup just like the good old days. I'm feeling really good and I'm hoping to get back with more tutorials. Do share your feedback in the comments down below. I would love to read it. And before I leave, please take very good care of yourselves. Take care of your families and the seniors around you. And I will take your leave right now to be back with more videos. Until the next time, you know the drill. Stay extra kind and be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.